I didn't build a global warehouse, nor did I hire an international team to sell globally. I used Amazon's global selling program. When I expanded Detox beyond the US, I kept it simple. I used my existing US FBA inventory to fulfill international orders. Now, Amazon handled everything from shipping, duties, compliance to delivery. Yes, the fees was a little higher, but I wasn't optimized for profits yet. I was optimized for learning. What I gained was huge. Brand awareness, real customer data, and early traction, especially in Canada. Once I started seeing consistent orders from Canada, I knew the demand was real. That's when I went all in. I registered a Canadian entity, I got my tax ID and trademark in place, and went locally into FBA. Within the first year, we scaled to $100,000 in sales in Canada. Now we are following the same playbook for Europe, starting lean, validating demand, and registering the company's profiles and VAT registrations in France and Germany as our FBA hubs. Here's what I wish I knew earlier. Global selling is not a commitment, it is a testing tool. Use it like market research. Let the data guide to where to invest next. And don't go all in until demand proves itself. This is how you expand globally without the headache.